Hello guys, what's up? BB01 in the house. So we're just gonna give this guy a wash. He is pretty dirty right now. And that is because of plastic. To the service guys, they gave the bike with the older parts in a plastic bag that was wrapped around here. So yeah, I just brought it home and the cover melted and I was stuck onto the exhaust. So I don't think it's gonna go on for now. There's a lot of crow droppings, so we're just gonna get it washed and you guys will see a couple of B-rolls. See ya. This is H2O for detailing. Let's go get our bike washed. This is where I usually come for my bike washes and my car. Yep, H2O Auto Spa. That's it. This is the place. I hope there's enough light for you guys to see. This is the worst part. It looks horrible. Yep. This just happened in the morning. As you can see, it's on the forks too. And yep, I hate them. And it ruins your paint too, and it's matte black, so it's gonna be very visible as the paint kind of fades off. Bird droppings are the worst. They literally kill your paint all the way, man. Well, time for you guys to see some B-rolls.